Okay, this is a demonstration how to change a tape that just ran out of parts in this retrofit kit that is mounted on a L-BF-12 bank feeder. And basically what I'm going to do, I'm just going to, instead of just pulling the whole tape out of the feeder, I'm just going to cut it right here. And then I'm going to pull this part out through the rear. And then this part that's still in the feeder, I'm just going to wiggle out, and I can grab it from the back and pull it out through the feeder. Alright, so once I got rid of that, I have a short piece of tape that I want to put in there, which would otherwise be very difficult to insert into a regular OEM feeder, because it's, well, very short and you don't have enough leader tape, which you then have to pull back, waste a bunch of parts, or try to put them back later. It's just a mess. So in order to do that, I'm going to slightly release the set screw that holds the plow in place, and then what I need to do very carefully is peel off just this front right corner of the new tape cover. Put that through the feeder, and you do this for any kind of tape, whether it's in a reel or whether it's 2 or 3 inch of tape. It doesn't really matter. What you want to do is right here where the tip of the plow grabs the tape, you want to lift that corner that you exposed and then just feed it through normally. I'll push it with your hand or through these pocket holes here, just enough to have it exposed in the pickup pocket there. And then of course one thing you want to get right is the tension of the tape. Depends on whether you have paper tape or plastic tape. There are different sensitivities and different pressures you want to apply. Not too much to where you start ripping off the sprocket pockets, advancement pockets here, and not too little so that the advancement sprocket will kind of jerk it around. So just enough. That's something you gotta feel and have to get right. And once that's in there, let me get to the right lane here. And there you go. The very first part is ready for pickup.